Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how can you create your bootable USB of Windows 11 and how can you download the Windows 11 free of cost and you can download it. Simple, go to Chrome or any your browser, type Windows 11 ISO, okay, and you get this link mpnrc.org website. The links are available in the description. Just open the link and go down to Windows 11 ISO 64-bit download link 1. You only go down and they say there are lot of links from where you can get the Windows 11, but I prefer you can click this one or this one because they are direct downloading clicks. Simple click them and the file is start downloading. It's 4.5 GB. I already had downloaded it, this one, and you need Rufus 3.14 I have. You can also download it free of cost. Only type and it's officially free. You click simple 3.14 variant and it will be downloaded. Links will be available in description, you can take from them. Open Rufus and plug your USB. I'm going to put my USB in port. I will check it is for any data in it. Nope, not very much. Okay, try again. Open Rufus, select your USB drive, go to this PC and I will show you this is my USB drive and on the other is my partition. Okay, I'm going to make this USB to Windows 11 bootable. I selected the USB, then I select the ISO file. My ISO file is in a desktop and I've select the path and I select the ISO file, open it. Okay, Windows 11 is by default on GPT. It's not for MBR variant, so you only select GPT variant, and of course this is UEFI. Make it on your wish, make it NTFS, quick boot. Okay, then that's it. Click start. Okay, okay, format my USB, no issue. As you know that Windows 11 has some requirements. System requirements. You go to Microsoft.com and you can view all the requirement. Processor 1 GHz minimum with the 2 or more cores, compatible with 64-bit processor, minimum 4 GB RAM and 64 GB or largest storage in your C drive. It take UEFI as I show, secure boot. It's working on GPT. It not support MBR variant or BIOS, and its TPM variant is 2.0 and it's compatible by default as our systems support it, DirectX 12, or you can update Windows, it will come to your system. And that's it. These two are major requirements for Windows 11, and this is also 4GB RAM, 2GB not supported for Windows 11, and shows it's copying files to USB drive. 40% done. These are some features of I'll take both if it possible. No, it's not, so I banish it here. Yes, these are the features, some features. It's these are 5G supported modem, auto HDR required, and HDR monitor, BitLocker to go, client Hyper-V. Hyper-V is a virtual desk or virtual machine you can create them. Cortana, as you see in Windows 10 also, or direct storage. It can support SSD and NVMe SSD to store or play games, and DirectX 12 Ultimate. All these are the features of Windows 11. Intelligent video conferencing, MVA, multiple voice assistant. It's like a Cortana. The best option, also available in Windows 10. You can take a crop any image, any desktop, any window, anytime. Okay, touch monitor also available. Windows protection, WDDM. There are a lot of things you can explore them. Languages version, key Windows 11 to 8, features, and many things. System requirements, as I show you. Okay, here I will show you our 94% done USB drive, bootable drive of Windows 11. You can easy to use and plug and play. Copying ISO files, 96% done, only 4% left, and this show you it's super fast speed, 5 minutes at 5 and 35 seconds. You can use many other softwares for bootable USB creation. I like Surface, and it's best software for booting and compatible with the most flavors in Linux also, and it's 99.5% done. Yeah, that's it. Okay, using TFS and okay. Close. Now you can use your plug out your USB drive. It is now bootable for Windows 11. You can use it. In the next video, we will show you how you can configure Windows 11 and show you the graphical user interface.